How to elevate any and every outfit. There are 5 basic things that you need to consider when you are putting an outfit together. And today we are going to build an outfit together. So the first thing that you need to consider when you are building an outfit, and I've said this to you many times, so this is not new, so I'm going to kind of just speed through this. But the first thing that you need to consider when you are building any outfit is that you have the best foundation for that outfit. So what I mean by foundation is what you're wearing underneath the outfit, right? If you are wearing a backless dress, if you're wearing a low cut top, if you're wearing something that sits closer to the body, all of these things require different undergarments, and you have to be ready for every one of them. So before you start to try to get an outfit together, make sure that you have your best foundation for that outfit. Now that you have that foundation, you want to make sure that you have your essential basics. You guys have heard me talk about your basics over and over and over again. In fact, I was telling you guys that I need to build my basics back up. I have some things that didn't fit. I didn't have enough basics. I have some that look just old and raggedy, right? But what I want to point out is that my basics might not be like your basics. A mother of 5 who lives in Utah, who has to make soccer runs and school runs, basics are going to look very different than mine, who's not a mom. I live in New York City and I have different needs. So when you are trying to decipher what kind of basics you need, you really need to take into account your lifestyle. So because I live in New York, I need cold weather outfits. We do a lot of walking here, so I need some really cute flats, and I need scarves, and I need sweaters, black pants. All this needs to be taken into account where you live, what your lifestyle is, and what you do from day to day. So since we are building this outfit together and we have my essential basics, 2 of my essential basics is a black blazer. I have it in faux leather, I have it in wool, I have it in linen. I need a black blazer no matter the season. So we're going to take one of my black blazers, and this one happens to be extremely oversized, which I'm kind of digging right now. And my other basics, like I said, I live in New York City and it gets cold, I need a turtleneck. So I have turtlenecks in black, white, brown, beige, you name it. So we have my foundation and we have my basics. And the next thing that you need to consider when building an outfit is a standout piece. So now that you have your basics and you have your foundation, you want something that gives the outfit a wow factor. And what I chose for this outfit was these bright Kelly green pants that I got from Amazon. You guys, these are not the best quality, I will say that, but for the price, they do the job when you just need a little something. Comes in several different colors. They're very inexpensive, maybe like $20 something. Of course, I will link it in the description box, but it is so bright, so saturated. If you watched my trend video, you know that saturated colors are a big thing this fall. It's so bright and saturated that I thought that it would be a really good standout piece. Not only is it bright and saturated, it's also wide leg pants, which is another really big trend right now. So the standout piece in this outfit that we are building together is this Kelly green wide leg inexpensive pants from Amazon. Now, a quick note. I know that not everybody wants to walk around with Kelly green pants. I also know that a lot of you are neutral girls and you don't like too much color. A standout piece often includes color, but it doesn't have to be. A standout piece can be a beautiful satin slip skirt or dress, which I have both of. It could be a really beautiful wool blazer. Really could even just be wide leg black pants, because the way that the fabric moves on the pants gives the outfit a little bit of drama. But I like to go that extra mile, so I take that drama to the next level and I decide to go for green. But before we go any further, if you're new here, my name is Kura, and I believe that when you feel good, you look good. So on this channel, I show you how to take fashion and use it as a tool to help you look and feel your best. So now that you have the best foundation for that outfit, you have your essential basics, and you have your standout piece, you now need sensational accessories. So what's interesting is that when I was doing this, I was looking up different things just to make sure I had a cohesive video, right? And I wanted the exact definition of sensational, and they gave several different options, and I kind of want to show you what the options were for this definition of the word sensational. One place defined the word sensational as amazing, dramatic, thrilling, right? Another one described it as excellent, brilliant, superb. But my favorite definition was commanding attention. When you are building an outfit, your accessories usually can hold their own because they usually are the pieces that command attention. You know, influencers get a lot of flack for just buying luxury accessories and not so much on their ready-to-wear. But the thing is, when you are putting together an outfit, and honestly, any fashionable person knows that if you don't have money to be fashioned down head to toe, a good accessory will save you. It will command attention. So in this outfit, the accessories that I chose to command attention and kind of put the finishing touches on this outfit were these amazing, you guys have seen these before if you're not new, these amazing Tom Ford aviator sunglasses that in all honesty don't really block the sun but make me look pretty cool. They command that attention. And then I added this really long dangling necklace that I don't remember exactly where I got it from, but I will link it in the description box. And then I added my Hermes bracelet and some other gold little bangles just to give it a little nudge. But the thing that I added that really commands attention for this outfit, that is sensational, right, is this green Coach crossbody bag. This, besides the color being very on trend, it's also very versatile and happens to go very well with my standout piece, which is my pants. So at this point, you have the best foundation for your outfit, you have your essential basics, you have your standout piece, now you have your sensational accessories, and now you have to do some targeted styling. Every fashionable person has somebody that they kind of, well, not every, me at least, has somebody that they kind of looked at growing up to be inspired by. I have a few, but most of those people are in my family. When I think about somebody like my mom, who I taken a lot from fashion-wise, inspiration-wise, she'll put on a blazer, roll up her sleeves, and put up her collar, right? She was styling her outfit in a way that made it look a little bit more stylish, for lack of a better word. So that was something that I ended up doing mainly because I saw mom do it, and it wasn't until I got older that I realized what targeted styling does to an outfit. For example, the fact that this blazer is so big, it kind of envelops my whole body. But when I pull up the sleeves and pull up the collar, it kind of shrinks, not everything, but it shrinks visually and makes it look a little bit more tailored and tucked in, if that makes sense. So I know that people tell you to roll up your sleeves, but they're not really telling you why. Because it kind of depends on your body shape and your body type if rolling up the sleeves really works for you. Another option with targeted styling is something that I'm doing right now, and also something you see a lot of fashion bloggers do, is putting your jacket over your shoulders. Now, this is not the most practical styling tip. Speaking from experience, you guys, one wrong move and the coat or the jacket is on the ground. Okay, so I have to be very specific about what jacket or blazer I put over my shoulders. But by putting it over your shoulders, again, it kind of adds an element of style. In fact, on those days when I'm not feeling my best and I do not feel like dealing with shapewear, I like to put a blazer over my shoulder because it kind of gives me a blanket. It kind of covers what I don't want to be seen, and it elevates an outfit. It was funny because I was watching, I think, Ami, sorry, I pronounced her name wrong. I was watching Ami's song, and somebody asked her why did she put her blazer over her jacket, and her answer was just because it looks better. And I mean, she's not wrong. I kind of understand that, but there is a reason why it does. So I say experiment. For some people it works, for some people it doesn't. You won't know until you try. Go in the mirror, put your jacket over your shoulder, see what it does to your silhouette. Try it with different outfits and see if it looks better. As far as styling this purse goes, this, though it looks okay crossbody on me, this particular purse, most purses have a shorter strap, don't necessarily look that good on me crossbody. So oftentimes I have to either look for a longer strap, which is not always ideal, or I use my crossbodies as just one shoulder, or for this purse, I will use it as a clutch. Again, using this as a clutch, rolling up my sleeves and putting my collar up, kind of bring everything in. After you have gone through all these steps and used your best practices to put an outfit together, there's no way that you would miss. This is a surefire way to nail your outfit every single time. You kind of need to take this with a grain of salt and use it for your own style. If you rather use the green pants as a skirt, or the green pants in a neutral color, or instead of such an oversized blazer, a more fitted blazer, it's about taking this strategy and making it work for you. So do me a favor, you guys, when you are planning your outfits for this next week, use these best practices to plan each and every outfit and let me know what you think. I don't think you can miss. This is a surefire way to get it right every single time. There will be a part 2 and a part 3 to this video because this is just the basics, right? This is how you build an outfit. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and I will see you in my next video.